Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a very exciting unboxing video. This is a watch that released quite recently that I just knew I had to get it, and I did, and it finally arrived yesterday, and I'm so excited to open it up. I did manage to wait until today, so I have not had a look at it, nothing, but I'm not gonna keep you waiting. I'm not gonna keep myself waiting. I'm just gonna go ahead. If you're new to my channel, my name is Oliver. I do unboxings and reviews and whatnot of watches, and if that's something that you're interested in, I would really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. Wristwatch check. I'm wearing my Chrono Tokyo 34mm. Absolutely love it. Don't have time to talk about it. Let's open this one. I don't even need scissors. Look at that. All right. There we go. And if you're familiar with this brand, you know that the packaging comes like this, so you know what it is already. There's the box. I am really sorry about the lighting in this video. I am currently moving, so this is like a really temporary setup, but hopefully it is not too bad. Here is the box. You can see the logo here. I think you can see it with the Swiss and the English flag. Let's slide this out, and there we go. I do believe, like Christopher Ward, all watches come like this nowadays. It's been a while since I bought one, but I think it was like this last time as well. And you slide it up. Very nice. And here is the warranty. They do have a really good warranty, and here is the owner's handbook, and you can see which watch it is here. And oh, there is the watch. I barely saw it. I'm gonna see what this is first. It's a cloth, very nice, like a microfiber cloth with the logo on the side. And here's the watch. Look at that. I'm so excited. I need to see what this is. Okay, this is extra links because I had them resize it. All right, look at this. Let's take it out. Wow. All right, I'm excited. Let's get the plastic off. Look at this, guys. Let's get the box out of the way. Oh my God. So this is Christopher Ward, the 12, their new model, integrated bracelet sports model that everyone is doing these days, but not everyone's doing that well. And this one, I think, is one of the better ones, but we'll find out. That's what we're gonna find out. Wow, it's beautiful. I went with the glacier blue dial because it's something I don't have in my collection. I did really like a lot of them. I also like the titaniums, which are also a little bit thinner, but for me, I wanted a different dial. Had this dial came on the titanium, I probably would have bought it, but guys, we just have to. I'm gonna try it on the wrist. I have to just try it on the wrist. I'm gonna show you close up soon, but I have to get this on. Hopefully they have sized it correctly. They have indeed. And wow. So it's 40mm, which is a little larger than what I usually like, but it's like just not too big. I think it looks bigger on the camera than what it does in real life. It looks brilliant on the wrist. It hugs the wrist beautifully. It is quite a thin profile, so it's really nice. I'm gonna get it off. So this is beautiful. First impressions is that this is as beautiful as I thought. It is absolutely stunning, and I'm gonna do a full review video of this after having worn it for a while, guys, so stay tuned for that. But let's take a closer look at everything. Let's try and unscrew the crown. Wind it up a little bit. Crown feels really good. It is a Salida SW200 movement, so it's nothing crazy. But you also have these crown guards. Obviously the logo on the crown itself. Beautiful, beautiful slim profile. Really impressive. Other side, beautifully brushed. There are a lot of details on this one. With the bezel, you can see there's a lot of different finishing, and with the polish and the brushed, it's stunning, and you can see these parts are actually like blasted. So there's 3 type of finishes, which is really, really beautiful. The bracelet, beautiful, plays with the light, single like links, and beautifully brushed and polished, obviously, on the beveled edges. Clasp, standard butterfly clasp, seems pretty good, feels pretty nice. You have the logo here, Christopher Ward. I know a lot of people maybe won't be a fan of that, but I'm not too bothered. Could have been a lot worse, but there really is a lot of details on this watch. That beautiful dial, which is like inspired by their logo, like the flags, which is really, really beautiful. Really plays with the light, and I love, thank you, the date window. Honestly, I'd prefer no date, but when you put a date window, I love to see that it's the same color as the dial on the background there, which is a beautiful detail. Stunning, really, really stunning. And I do really like the hands and the indices, and I think the logo works really well on this watch. It kind of disappears in some angles, but I think that's maybe a good thing. So yeah, let's take a look on the back. Here is the movement. Obviously not like super. Let's see if we can have a good look. Nothing like super interesting. You have their finishing on the rotor, and it says Christopher Ward. There we can see. And you have these screws on the back here, which is obviously an inspiration from Gerald Genta, which the watch as a whole is, and they're open about that. But yeah, what do you guys think? I love this watch, I think. The first impression is that it's great. I have heard, and I've heard that it is confirmed that this is coming in the 36, or was it 37? I don't remember, but millimeters in the fall. So if you guys are interested in buying this, like August, September, hit me up, because then I will definitely get the smaller one. That sounds amazing. So I'm really excited for that. But I'm going to wear this a lot until then, and I'm really excited to just get ahead and wear it and give you guys a full review of this beautiful watch. I love the dial, it's stunning. So what do you guys think? What's your opinion on the 12 from Christopher Ward? Have you bought one? Have you gotten it already? Will you buy it? Let me know why or why not. I am very satisfied with like the first impressions of this watch. I am very excited to wear it. I think it is beautiful on the wrist, and I am so happy with it, because I feared that it would wear a little bigger than it does. I think it works really beautifully. It does look bigger on the camera, I have to say that. It looks beautiful in real life. So yeah, quick unboxing, first impression of this beautiful release from Christopher Ward. And now I'm gonna go and wear it a lot, and I'm gonna come back with a full review. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day, and goodbye.